Big news coming in. Let's get you the latest when it comes to the TDP MLA Balakrishna, who has ignited a controversy with his remarks in the Andhra Pradesh Assembly, calling former Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Reddy a psycho. He added that he himself was invited to meet with the psycho but chose not to. Let's get you some of the reactions coming in.
ఇందాక గౌరవ శాసనసభ్యులు కామినేని శ్రీనివాసరావు మాడుతూ అప్పుడు అందరూ ఇండస్ట్రీ కలవడానికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు సైకో గారిని చిరంజీవి గారు గట్టిగా అడిగితే అప్పుడు ఈయన వచ్చాడంది అబద్ధం.
In the assembly, our state's highest platform of democracy, TDP MLA and actor Mr. Balakrishna stooped so low in calling former Chief Minister Mr. Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy a psycho. Instead of speaking about jobs, farmers or people's issues, Balakrishna turned the assembly into a movie set for a cheap theatrics and cheap dialogues. For years, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, Mr. Lokesh, Mr. Kalyan and now Mr. Balakrishna has run this false propaganda claiming that Mr. Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy insulted the film industry. That's not true.
Uma, my colleague, joining us to get us the latest about this. Uma, Balakrishna not only has used objectionable word when it comes to the former Chief Minister, but he's also dragged megastar Chiranjeevi into the controversy.
So actor Balakrishna's status is not just as the MLA of Hindupur. He also happens to be the brother-in-law of Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and the father-in-law of Minister Nara Lokesh. And he has said three things. One, he called Jagan as a psycho, the former Chief Minister, saying that he had been asked to come and meet what he called as a psycho. And that is something that, of course, the YSRCP has taken objections to. Two, he told Kandula Durgesh, who is the cinematography minister and happens to belong to the Janasena, that his name is coming ninth in a list of people who were to discuss the industry-related problems. The Film Development Corporation was to have a meeting in which Balakrishna was being invited, and he objected to his name coming ninth in that particular list. And he also made a reference to an earlier meeting with Jagan Mohan Reddy in which Chiranjeevi had gone to meet, and he said it's not under pressure from Chiranjeevi that Jagan Mohan Reddy, the then Chief Minister, had agreed to meet the film industry leaders. This was objected to not just by YSRCP. Chiranjeevi, who also happens to be the brother of Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, he has clarified, saying that at that time industry wanted to meet the former Chief Minister and he had gone and met Jagan Mohan Reddy, and Jagan Mohan Reddy had agreed. It was COVID time and therefore 5 people were allowed, and subsequently that number was increased to 10, and that he had even tried to contact actor Balakrishna but he was not able to get in touch with him to call him for the same meeting. And he said that he has always extended courtesy to everyone, that includes the former Chief Minister as well as Mr. Balakrishna. And yes, the YSRCP has reacted to the psycho comment. I must clarify that psycho was a word that used to be repeatedly used by Nara Lokesh and Mr. Chandrababu Naidu in the run-up to the elections. But post the elections, the word psycho being used is something that YSRCP is objecting to, and they are making a reference to an earlier incident in which Balakrishna was involved in or accused in a shooting incident, and he had got a mental certificate from the doctors in the Bellamkonda Suresh incident. And therefore, the war of words is going on between not just Balakrishna and the opposition, the TDP and the opposition, but also between the TDP and Balakrishna and Chiranjeevi themselves. And YSRCP is calling this as a rift within the ruling NDA.